I hope all you can see my computer screen, and today we are going to see that how we can set up Webhook inside Docparser. So Docparser is a document processing tool that extracts data from various document formats like PDFs, Word files, and scanned images. So it uses advanced data parsing rules and optical character recognition to retrieve structured data from semi-structured documents, and this is making it ideal for automating data entry and document-based workflows. So Docparser provides some key features like data extraction from documents, rule-based parsing, OCR for scanned documents, and API and integration. So Docparser is widely used in industries where document parsing is a significant task like finance, logistics, healthcare, and retail. And it is widely used to streamline and automate data extraction. So here what we are going to do is we are going to set up a webhook inside Docparser so that we can connect Docparser with Pabbly Connect. And Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software. And by setting up Webhook inside Docparser, we are going to connect Docparser with Pabbly Connect. And as we will connect Docparser with Pabbly Connect, we can set up multiple automations according to our use cases. And we can connect Docparser with any application that we want. So here we are going to set up Webhook inside Docparser with Pabbly Connect. So here I need to use Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to open a new tab. And here I need to search for pabbly.com/connect in my browser. And this will take us to this landing page of Pabbly Connect. Now here in the landing page, I have these two options of sign in and sign up for free. If you don't have any account with Pabbly Connect, then you can just click on this sign up for free button. And this will take only 2 minutes of your time and you will get 100 free tasks every month. Or you are an existing user, then you can just click on sign in. And you will get to see this page. So these are all the apps that Pabbly offers and we are going to use Pabbly Connect here. For that, I just need to click on this Access Now button under Pabbly Connect. And this will direct us to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now here in the dashboard, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new workflow. And for that, I'm going to click on this Create Workflow button. And this window will pop up. Now here I need to name my workflow, so I'm going to name it as my objective, which is to set up Webhook inside Docparser. Now what I need to do is I need to click on Create. And here this will take us to this most important window of our workflow. And here in this window, I have these two boxes of trigger and action. So trigger and action are the two main principles on which our workflow works on. And trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is going to be the first step that will get executed in our workflow and action is just going to follow that. So here in my workflow, I can only set up single trigger step and multiple action steps. So here what I need to do is I need to set up Webhook inside Docparser and for that I need to set up my trigger step. So here for setting up my trigger, I need to search for my trigger application and here my trigger application is going to be Docparser. So I'm going to search for that and I need to select Docparser here. Now I need to give my trigger event, so I'm going to open this tab and parsed documents will be my trigger event, so I'm going to select that. And now I need to connect Docparser with Pabbly Connect in my workflow and for that I need to use this Webhook URL. So this Webhook URL is going to work as a bridge between Docparser and Pabbly Connect. So every time I'm going to receive a new parsed document in Docparser, then I will get the data of that parsed document here in Pabbly Connect by using this Webhook URL. So here for connecting these two applications, I need to follow all these instructions. And here first I need to log into my Docparser account. And in Docparser, I need to create a new document parser or I can use the existing document parser. So after selecting my parser page, what I need to do is I need to go to integration where I need to scroll down where I'm going to find the option of custom integrations. And in custom integration, I will find simple Webhook or advanced Webhook. So I can use either of them. And by using any of the option, I need to fill the required details and after filling the detail, I can click on save and test and I will get the data of the parsed document in place of the test data. So when I will get the test data, it will mean I have successfully set up my Webhook inside Docparser and for every parsed documents, I will get the data here in Pabbly Connect. Also here I have this particular note that says new document parsing process takes some time in the following queues and here are those queues like the import queue, data parsing queue, integration queue. And once the parsing gets completed, parsed file will get listed under process and the Webhook will receive a response. So suppose if we are using some of these queues and in these queues, if document parsing is going to get processed, then it will take some time and we will get that response and trigger response, and we will get the document parsing status as processed. So when we will get that data in triggers tab, we can get the parsed document details in our actions tab by using the document ID that we are going to receive in triggers tab. So here we need to only use these trigger and actions tab when we are going to work on these queues. Now here what I'm going to do is I'm going to simply connect Docparser with Pabbly Connect, and for that I'm going to first copy this Webhook URL. And now I need to take you to my Docparser account. And here I need to first select my document parser. So here I'm going to use this Docparser of offer parser. So I'm going to open this. And now in this I need to go to integrations. And here in integrations I need to scroll down. And I have this option of custom integrations, so I'm going to open that. And in this, I have these two options of simple webhooks and advanced webhook. So here I'm going to use simple webhook, so I'm going to open that. And now I have to first give my webhook name. So here I'm going to use the name as Pabbly Connect, and you can use any name that you want to use. Now I have to select my payload format, so I'm going to open this tab. And here I have these three formats of JSON, XML, and form data. But I'm going to use JSON here. And I need to give my target URL. So here in this tab of target URL, I'm going to add my Webhook URL that I've copied from Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to paste that here. And now I have filled all the required details. And also I don't have to change any of these other details here. So here I have filled all the required details. So I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to click on Save and Test. And here I have this option of Send Test Data. So as I will click on this send test data, it will automatically send the data of the parsed document that I have received, and as I will send that data to Pabbly Connect, then it will mean that I have successfully set up my webhook inside Docparser. So I'm going to click here, and here I have sent my test data to Pabbly Connect. So let me take you to Pabbly Connect, and here in Pabbly Connect we can see I have received this response. So this is the response of the parsed document that I have received through Docparser, and this is the test data. So here I have all these details, like I have the uploaded date and time. Also here I have the page count, that is 2 pages. Also I have my media link, I have the media link data. Also I have my document ID, I have my file name, that is latestoffer.pdf. I have my document ID, I have the company name, and this is my parsed data. Like I have parsed some specific data like the company name and the address of the company. So here I have the random zip code, I have the street number, that is 123. I have the street address, that is Vantage Ave. Also I have the state, that is New Jersey. I have the state code, that is NJ. I have the country, that is United States, and I have the address city, that is Branchville. So here this is my parsed document data, and I have parsed this document by using Docparser, and I have automatically received all the data of that parsed document here in Pabbly Connect. So I have received this document only because I have set up this webhook inside Docparser, and as I have received this data here in Pabbly Connect, so this means that I have successfully set up my webhook inside Docparser. So here I have connected Docparser inside Pabbly Connect, and now I will get the data of all the parsed documents from Docparser to Pabbly Connect. Now as I have set up my webhook inside Docparser, now I can connect Docparser with multiple applications in my Actions tab, and I can streamline and automate my data extraction process, or I can also automate the process of data entry. So here I have successfully set up this webhook inside Docparser, and this was my objective. So by following all the steps that I did in this video, you can also set up webhook inside Docparser, and you can connect Docparser with Pabbly Connect. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this with Pabbly Connect. If you want to reach out to us, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any issues or queries related to our workflow, then you can check the forum link. And if you have any issues related to the pricing of Pabbly Connect or Pabbly, then you can check out this link. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel.